Hey, Slightly Unblended, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today is exciting because I decided to pick up the Lizzie McGuire What Dreams Are Made Of palette from Colourpop. Yeah! Okay, anyway, weird intro. If you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So, I was actually able to pick up the What Dreams Are Made Of palette for Lizzie McGuire and Colourpop. And so, tried to get a little creative. I can't draw, so I dug out some glitter, and we're going to have some fun. So to start out, I'm going to go ahead and go into Digital Bean because purple is my life. Like that little boy on the vine where he's like, Chipotle is my life. Yeah, that's me with purple. I had a little malfunction with my memory card. Well, it was full, so I've let my base crease. So we're going to fix that and I'm taking this Farah 205 Fly Wings brush. And I'm going to go ahead and get some of that Digital Bean. I love that. And wing her out. I'm going to just do little tapping motions to get that pigment laid down. Wing it out. And kind of follow my crease. I have not watched Lizzie McGuire in a long time. I wasn't even sure that I had, because it had been so long. Like, I remember watching the movie. My grandma bought it, and me and my cousins were watching it. But I was more focused on playing with my Barbies because I was younger than them. But yeah, I turned it on Disney Plus last night, and I was like, I kind of feel like I have watched this. And I asked my dad earlier. I called, and I was like, Dad, did I watch Lizzie McGuire as a kid? Because I feel like maybe I did. He was like, yeah, I remember that. So it's just been a really long time, so I'm excited to be rewatching it. Because typically I don't like to pick up things and like wear stuff that I have no idea what it is. Like, my husband loves Zelda, but I've never played The Legend of Zelda, so I don't really, like, I'll wear a shirt to sleep in or whatever, but like I'm not going to wear it out. Because I don't know, I just feel like weird for wearing something if I don't exactly know about it. I thought about picking up this collection, but it was like $100 and something, and I was like, that's kind of a commitment that I'm not ready for right now. And so I was looking at this other part of the collection. I think it was like the glitters in the palette, or there was something, it was like the blushes in the palette or something, and it was sold out. So last night, as one does, late night shopping, yeah, I picked up the blushes. So I can do another video with this palette and the blushes if you're interested. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Luxie small shader brush. I almost forgot what it was called. I'm going to take the shade Hello Fabulous, and it is the gorgeous little purple shimmer right here. Now my battery is low, but I guess you'll have that. And I'm just going to go ahead and just kind of give her a little pat and kind of get these colors blended together. Trying to make sure I don't drop my little glitter pieces that I finally found after 45 minutes of going through all the glitter. I'm just going to get a nice little gradient effect going on here. And go back in and touch up Digital Bean in a little bit though. I feel like this will be a surprise for Wednesday. Usually it's like random like Ipsy bags or like what's in the box or whatever. I thought about doing what's in the box for this, but it was just like the palette. So I was like, okay, whatever. I'll just film this today, edit it this evening, and tomorrow, however long it takes, and get it up on Wednesday. And then Sunday, I'm hoping to have I'll be working on it by the time this goes up. But I'm working on the 3 looks with one palette video, and I'm really excited about it. So I should have that up on Sunday. If this is actually going up on Wednesday like I planned, Sunday, there's going to be probably a long boy waiting for you. So now I'm going to go into Dear Diary, which is the lime green shimmer, and it is so cute. I was kind of looking at this when it came in, and I was like, okay, so they did the thing that I don't necessarily like, where there's more shimmers than there are mattes. But then I got to looking at it, and I was like, it's not like that bad. I was just trying to stress myself out, I think. But I'm super excited about this. I'm really just giving her a nice little pat, little baby blends, just patting it down. I really feel like I definitely was a Lizzie McGuire girl. The more I think about it, the more the memories are coming back. because I remember McDonald's having toys, and I was so excited, like, yes, Lizzie McGuire. So I really, really feel like, I don't know, I just feel like for some reason I've lost the memories of watching it. So anyway, I'm going to take my Morphe M408 brush and go into Don't Freak, which is the lime green shade, and it is adorable. So cute. So I'm just going to take that and I'm going to pat it down and just kind of like trace out the shape of my eye that I would like it to be. It's so funny that I'm doing this look in like the color of my tank top, but my tank top is the Bratz. Oh my gosh. It was last year. It's been about a year, but Hot Topic like come out with some Bratz shirts, and of course I had to do it. I think I got one of Jade, and I got like I think I got 2 t-shirts in this tank top. And my husband was like, but you don't really wear a lot of like tank tops. And I was like, it's the Bratz. It wasn't like he was telling me you don't need to get it. It was just like, oh my gosh, more clothes again, because I love clothes. Which is funny because as a kid, when I got clothes for Christmas or my birthday, I was like, where's the dolls? Kind of, I think. I rather, like, you know, kids seem to like to have toys more than clothes, but I love clothes. I still have clothes from when I was in high school, like junior high. Is anybody else like that? Because I seriously have like a lot of clothes. I'm really sentimental about stuff though. Like if either one of them bought me a shirt, like I don't want to get rid of it because they bought that for me, because they were like, oh, like she'll like that. And so like just the thought of like them taking their time to pick out a shirt or something for me, like I just can't get rid of it. So I'll keep it, because it seems to me like fashion has been kind of like going back and forth. Like you can get like the 90s vibes and stuff like that these days. I was like, yeah, one of these days my old ass is going to have all these clothes that are back in style and not have to go out and buy anymore. So kind of justify keeping all these clothes. Ooh. Alright, this was the quick part. It was really fast, and I was like, well, let me put a little more of my complicating everything kind of twist on it when I decided to try to do flowers myself. I'm going back into Dear Diary and just blending that with Don't Freak. And I'm going to take a little bit more of Digital Bean on that Fara brush and kind of pat it along the edges of this purple shimmer Hello Fabulous, just to get it to be a nice gradient blend. I just reminded myself that I haven't done my daily puzzle today. I like to do word puzzles on this app, Wordscapes is what it is. And I just remembered. I'm going to take a little bit more of Hello Fabulous on the Lexi Small Shader brush, but I'm going to clean it off real quick. I'm going to go ahead and get a little blended blend here. Yes. So, I was like, yes. So today we're vibing and thriving, okay? Definitely. It's sunny out. It's nice. I'm excited. Anyway, back to the look. I just had to throw in the we're vibing and thriving. But I decided that this looks pretty much how I wanted to look. Just took some micellar water on a Q-tip, cleaned it up, decided that I didn't like that so much. So I have been using the Pro 1L. It's Likely Makeup and Flawless Cosmetics brush set. Yeah, this brush right here. Put some micellar water on it and it'll whoop and cleaned it up real good. So now is for the very risky business part. I'm going to use the shade Butterfly and the shade Wisteria, which ironically we just bought some Wisteria, and I'm excited for the little tropical paradisey flower thing we're gonna have going. Totally off topic, but that just made me think about it. Anyway, I'm gonna try to do little flowers and then kind of like boop, 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 with the glitter, if that makes sense. Now I'm gonna go and finish listening to the Untouched by the Veronica song that I love so much, and I'll probably do a little voiceover on this little liner moment, if that's cool with you guys. Same day as this is going up, Julie here, because I love to make my life harder than it has to be. Let's take Butterfly, or Butterflies, I can't remember, I need to go look at it. But anyway, I'm just going to draw little lines, because like I said, I can't draw. So I'm just kind of drawing them, and I'm trying to space them out really kind of far. That way there's room to add the little glitter. And I'm just doing a few X's, almost like you're doing stars. But I can't draw those either. Yeah, I really wish I knew how to draw. But yes, I'm just taking this and I'm drawing my little flowers. And then once I get as many of them as I want, I'm going to go ahead and take wisteria and just put a little dot right in the center to make them look a little bit more like flowers. I've seriously got to stop being all dancey in these things. I was really just having a good time listening to the music. I get so excited when a song that I almost forgot about comes on, and I'm like, oh yeah, I gotta bust a move. I can't dance either. You thought I couldn't draw? I can't dance. It's very, very, very bad. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up these little poor flowers. It looks like they may have wilted because they have not been watered. And that almost feels like me because I'm behind on my water drink and I'm really just talking so that it's not such an awkward silence. Okay, I've had enough of myself. But now I'm just going to go ahead and add the little purple. And I feel like that makes it look a little bit more like flowers. So yeah. Okay, back to not so overwhelmed me. Okay, this is my poor attempt at flowers. I really kind of suck, but you know what? It's a vibe. I can't draw. Pushing myself to get out of the comfort zone and at least attempt to. So I have some tweezers. These were out of an Ipsy bag. They are the Vintage Cosmetics Company tweezers. I've had them for a little while. They're pretty good. Like I put my brows with them. I put my glitter on with them. I was putting my rhinestones on with them, but I got one of those things from BH Cosmetics to help that go along a lot more smoothly than it normally does with these, because this will yeet a rhinestone across the house. So let me see. For the first one, like, this glitter was from Pretty Weird Cosmetics, and I don't think that they exist anymore, which really makes me sad because they had really good lashes and I love all the glitter that I have from them. So yeah, this was their LSD glitter, and there's all kinds of different shapes. There's like butterflies, moons, stars, flowers, dolphins, palm trees, little circle glitter. I don't know, there's various different shapes and styles. And this was just like, I went through and was like, oh, there's flowers. Oh, there's a couple little Mickey Mouse heads. So I went through and dug out as many flowers as I could to try to make it even. The colors aren't going to match up totally the way this one does, because there's one blue here and I might not have to use it, but if I do, then I do. But yeah, but I used one big flower because I could only find two, so that's what I'm going to do now. So I'm just going to glue it down. I'm going to make it go more upwards. I don't know, I felt like I was doing something that was kind of simple, which you could totally skip this step and it would be so cute. But I wanted to do something where I really just put my twist on something. I felt pretty creative today, I think. And I'm super excited. Hopefully I'll have this energy with creativity for the video that I'm filming tomorrow. So now I'm taking a little pretty purple pink and putting it down low. Okay, so this is really gonna tell how old I am, which is totally cool. Like, we all get old. So I've been listening to the 2009 channel on Pandora, which it plays like a lot of songs from when I was in middle school. And when I turned it on earlier when I was like trying to dig out glitter, it played Don't Trust Me by 303, which has always been a favorite. And then it played, oh, I can't remember what it was, but then it played the Veronicas, and I love the Veronicas so much. I'm going to take this one upwards. But anyway, yeah, I've been totally vibing with that. That's just been a whole mood lately. And I'm going to take one more. I think I need 3 more. Oh, I don't have to use the blue one. Good. I didn't want to anyway. What kind of content do you guys want to see? Like, I don't even want to say, like, content, but whatever. Like, I really, like, sometimes I get in the mood to film, but I get in the mood to not film, like, makeup. Like, I would like to sit and talk because I... 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go here. I like to sit and talk. And I just want for you to be able to get to know me. It's so exciting to me to be able to make friends. I have always been a person where I've made friends on the internet, and that just makes my whole day. Because the internet, there's just so many people from all over the world, and you can make friends that way. And I always get so excited to make new friends, and I would like to be able to like talk and for everybody to get to know a little bit more about me. So if you want to do something like that, we could do a question and answers kind of thing. You can drop your question below, like a ask me anything kind of thing. You can drop your question below. You can DM it to me on Instagram or TikTok. Well, I don't know how TikTok works with that. Or Twitter. Sorry about that, my battery died, but we're all good now. The memory card, new, battery charged and replaced. So let me just pop this last little glitter on, and I will do the rest of my face and everything. But yeah, I just like, I don't know, I like to get to talk. I feel like I'm annoying when I talk though, but like, also, if you're watching me, I would like for you to get to know me a little bit, you know, just because I don't want to be a stranger. I just want to be the awkward person that I am and make friends. And I'm so thankful that I've made friends through makeup. Ah, don't do me like that. So excited. Okay, I ended up having one flower left and two of the Mickey Mouse heads, and the Mickey Mouse heads are not the same color, but one's purple and one's kind of like a champagne-y gold. And I kind of want to apply them to like my inner corner for like when I put my inner corner highlight, but I kind of want to save them for another look. What do you think? Let me know, because I really think I'm skipping the inner corner highlight part. So if you would like to see me incorporate some little Mickey Mouse heads in a look, let me know. I'm gonna go do the rest of my face and I'll be right back. So this is the finished look. For the lower lash line, let me break the palette back out because I'm bad about putting stuff away when I'm trying to be organized. For the lower lash line, I used UGG to blend out Outfit Repeater. I just felt like trying to put a little spin on it, as this whole look was just like me doing whatever and just vibing. I feel like it's pretty cute. I haven't really done a whole lot of like lower lash line business like this. I don't know. What do you think? Do you like it? Have you got this palette? If you've picked this palette up, what are your thoughts? What are your favorite shades? Every shade that I used today, I really, really like. I can't wait to do a little bit more with this. I'm still on a Blend Buddy Cosmetics Blends palette kit, like real big. It has just made my heart flutter with the amount of mattes and the amount of things that can be done with it, and I will show you a few of those things really soon. But for right now, I wanted to focus on the Lizzie McGuire and Colourpop palette because it is so cute. I just can't stop looking at it either. Like, the packaging is just the cutest thing. The pigmentation, amazing. Everything I've tried. There is a pressed glitter in here. I almost said a blah, 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 like I cannot talk. There is a pressed glitter in here, and it is Please. And yeah, I think that's about the only glitter in here, which I was pretty excited about because while I love glitter, I'm also terrified of glitter because I'm scared it's going to get in my eye, and then I'm going to have eye problems worse than I already do. So yeah. Do you want swatches? Do you want more looks? What do you think? All that good stuff. I will have all my social media listed down below in case you want to keep up with my awkward face and shenanigans while I'm not here on YouTube. I want to thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to use hashtag Slightly Unblended for your chance to be featured in an upcoming video. And I hope that I'll see you Sunday. I have a really fun video planned. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye!